कोई डॉगी आइसक्रीम पे बिलीव नहीं कर रहा था कि कुत्ते के लिए आइसक्रीम क्यों बना रही है जब इतने इंसानों के लिए आइसक्रीम्स है. Somebody copied us. I cannot mention the name, but they even used our packaging style.
Shark Tank में आपको काफ़ी criticism मिला था from what I remember from the episode that I have seen. Basically price points and market niche होने पे, correct? उस पे अपने दो चीज़ पे बात करते हैं.
He's like, no, if you're a woman from the pet industry, you will create a community for women in the pet industry in Maharashtra. हाँ सर, इतने लोग भी नहीं होंगे.
Let's start this. सबसे पहले तो आप हमको डिस्क्राइब करिए what is Waggy Zone and what is Pets of Paradise, because these are the two brands that we have seen on the forefront of what is happening. So सबसे पहले तो आप ये डिस्कस करिए हमारे साथ कि what is Waggy Zone and what is Pets of Paradise. Like what is your intention behind it and what is the story behind Waggy Zone and Pets of Paradise.
Right, so Waggy Zone actually is something that started say about 5-6 years back.
Okay.
2017 was the first time that I went out, and to precursor to that I was a dog fearing person. I was shit scared of dogs. So much so कि मैं स्कूल के बस मिस कर देती थी क्योंकि उसके नीचे डॉग सोया हुआ रहता था जनरली. तो that is how scared I was of dogs. Any creature actually, even cats, I was very scared of. It was not until Kshitij, my fiance then and now my husband, was adopting this 45-day-old German Shepherd.
Okay.
वो जब आई थी तब तो मैंने क्षितिज को बोला था कि या तो वो या तो मैं. He's like, बस foster करेंगे कुछ दिन के लिए and then whoever takes up and all. But that was my first love. Like Tyra, जिसके बेसिस पे एक्चुअली पूरा वैगी जोन बना एंड माय रिसर्च स्टार्टेड. सो शी वाज माय फर्स्ट जीएसडी, और रह के भी पहले जीएसडी आई, ऐसा भी नहीं कि कोई लैब या गोल्डन रिट्रीवर. It was a GSD. She came and being a converted pet lover, I was very enthusiastic. तो आप आप events पे जा रहे हो, being a converted one, you're like, अच्छा मुझे सीखना है, oh my puppy, oh my pet, like a first pet parent that you are. वो start हुआ था journey. तो when I used to go to any pet events, वहाँ पे generally chicken rice और vanilla ice cream होता था.
Okay.
And coming from an ice cream background with my father, we've got a manufacturing unit of ice creams since years, and we used to supply to Barista, D-Bella. So it's a B2B business that I was in.
Okay.
तो मुझे पता था कि आइसक्रीम्स तो बन सकती है, और आई वाज लाइक कि डॉग्स को सिर्फ वेनिला आइसक्रीम क्यों दे रहे, लाइक इट्स सो अनफेयर वेयर वी हैव 45-50 फ्लेवर्स ऑफ आइसक्रीम्स, इसको क्यों सिर्फ एक वेनिला आइसक्रीम ही दिया जा रहा है. That's how the research started actually. Once the research started, then I used to go and sit with the doctors and the veterinarians. They would try explaining कि इनको actually दूध भी allowed नहीं and sugar भी allowed नहीं.
Yes.
So I was like, but vanilla ice cream में तो like मैं खुद बनाती हूँ, तो I know कि दूध content majorly बन रहा है, उसके अंदर आप sugar डाल रहे हो, तो why is it then this is allowed, right? So the doctor said कि कुछ और options ही नहीं है, and there are times like especially even Tyra used to have this October season के time पे she used to stop eating food क्योंकि गर्मी का सीज़न बढ़ रहा है, आपको खाना नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, रिफ्लक्स और एसिडिटी की इशू हो जाती थी उसको बिकॉज ऑफ मील टाइमिंग्स नॉट बीइंग प्रॉपर. तो उस सब के चक्कर में डॉक्टर हमेशा बोलता था आइसक्रीम खिला दो, राइट. सो आई न्यू कि आइसक्रीम तो ये खाती है, एंड शी यूज्ड टू लव आइसक्रीम.
Yes.
Now she can't have because of her age, but that was the reason how I started my research. Cutting short, I did my research, went to study nutrition, went to and sat with therapy, dog behaviorist, understanding what a dog's behavior is actually all about. समझते we came to a point कि okay, dahi is allowed and honey is okay. So I made frozen yogurt for them. That was my first thing that I made for them, and I used to go all the way from Mulund to Borivali, thermocol का box लेके. Borivali में एक shop था Pet Castle करके. He was the first person who said कि I would like to give you the space to try this.
Correct.
Okay. And like a young entrepreneur, आपको लग रहा है कि मैं try कैसे करूँ आइसक्रीम.
Yes.
प्लस ये था कि कोई और बना नहीं रहा, तो आप कोई कंपनी को देख के बोल नहीं सकते कि इसका ये फ्लेवर्स है, ये चल सकता है. वो एक था. दूसरा ये था कि आपका जो डायरेक्ट कंज्यूमर है, दैट इज़ अ डॉग, डजंट टेल यू he likes it or he doesn't like it, right? It's an assumed answer जो आपको पेट पेरेंट देने वाला है. So मैं जाती थी और तभी मेरे पास 3 फ्लेवर्स होते थे, हनी, बनाना एंड ब्लूबेरी. दीज आर द 3 फ्लेवर्स वी यूज्ड टू मेक, और वो मैं लेके जाके बोरीवली में सुबह से शाम तक बैठी थी ड्राई आइस में, एंड विच एवर डॉग वुड कम इन, उसको आप सामने से खिला रहे हो to see which flavors they like. And also it took a lot of time, I think almost 1.5 years of research आप करते जा रहे थे, and I was just doing it out of passion because my dog used to love ice cream. For her I made it.
Correct.
उसके लिए जब बनाया तो दूसरे पेट पेरेंट्स, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल कम्युनिटी, It's like the first time जब आपको एक normal human baby भी होता है, you tend to ask the experienced mothers कि यार ये क्या देना चाहिए, कौन सा diaper use करना है. Similarly,
you are little paranoid always.
Yes, absolutely. So with that, I told them, oh, I've created this, and they were like, oh, even we want the ice creams. Why can't we have it for our puppy? You know, things like this. So the community pushed me that take it up as a business. Then I went to this pet store. Then I did this part of trial error, making the dogs eat. And when the dogs, feedback came back, I couldn't expand after a point. क्योंकि आप फ्रोजन में कर रहे हो एंड तभी मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि फ्रोजन में और कोई प्रोडक्ट्स ही नहीं है पेट इंडस्ट्री में. देयर इज ओनली देयर वाज एक्चुअली नथिंग.
व्हाट इज द रीजन? लाइक समझो, चलो आई अंडरस्टैंड, आपने ये गैप देखा, आपको मन किया कि हम ये गैप फुलफिल करेंगे. आई एम श्योर कि बाकी लोगों को भी तो ये गैप दिखा होगा. व्हाट वाज द रीजन फॉर नो वन टू स्टार्ट समथिंग लाइक दिस? लाइक
so basically India at that point in time, I'm talking about 2017, which is almost 7-8 years back, the pet industry itself was not that big, right? Abhi aaj ke tarikh mein there's about 3.2 crores pets around India, right? This is a growth which we are seeing. Also tab tak pets were not something which we took as pets. Pehle easier way of explaining is jab tab tha, tab we used to be called as pet owners. Right now I am seeing the transition happening with pet parents. हो गए, आपने किसी को बोल दिया कि अरे कुत्ता, और how could you call my dog a कुत्ता? कुत्ता ही है, मतलब आप क्या कर सकते हो, कुत्ता ही है.
हिंदी में कुत्ता ही बोलते हैं.
हाँ, but that thing of being sensitive towards them और कि नहीं ये मेरे घर का है and this is a family member has all started recently in the last 2-3 years, right? I'm talking about, I mean my dog is now becoming almost 12 years old, so I'm talking about 12 years back की story when people would be like pet owner, right? तो आप उसको training वैसे दे रहे हो. Now they're talking about sensitizing them, desensitizing them, talking about becoming a family member, understanding their needs. ये सब नहीं था.
ये सब नहीं था, बिल्कुल.
So I'm talking about then जब dog food ही बढ़ रहा था, like how Kellogg's had their own challenges. जब वो आए थे people breakfast में हम पराठे खा रहे थे, right? And that's how even we were used to कि दूध रोटी दे दो कुत्ते को. आप बोल रहे हो कि नहीं आप उनको पैकेज फूड दो, उनका डाइट के हिसाब से दो, स्पीशीज स्पेसिफिक फूड दो. सो आई एम टॉकिंग ऑल दिस नाउ. 11 years बैक
ये सब था ही
नहीं. इंडिया वाज समथिंग वेयर पीपल वर लाइक कि हम हमारे डॉग हमारे लिए खाना का सोचे. व्हाई विल आई गो अराउंड थिंकिंग अबाउट माय animals needs and requirements.
Correct.
Right? So that transition is where now we've reached to, and now there are players who are doing doggy ice creams. There's also a US based brand that is doing. Here in India itself now we have 2-3 brands that are doing doggy ice creams.
Not just doggy ice creams, I to see a lot of other doggy stuff also, like doggy cakes and all.
Absolutely.
या like हमारे भी बर्थडेज पे जब पेट बर्थडेज होता है तब उनके लिए केक अलग आता है जो खाली वो लोग खा सकते हैं.
Right.
And
cakes hai, cupcakes hai. I know someone recently who made the clothes for Ambani's dogs for the wedding.
Yes.
And she just stitched it and she was
Correct.
so excited. 29 clothes in 3 days and I'm like, oh wow. You know, like that is an achievement.
Of course.
But वो पहले नहीं था. Where now I'm seeing कि designer dress पहनना है, आपको matching पहनना है, tuxedos बन रहे हैं. There are socks coming up. There are shoes
There
coming
is dog
up.
wine. There is wine and
Yeah.
beer that dogs can have, and I mean, I would not want my dog to have that, but what?
चिकन पानी होता है.
अच्छा, okay.
पैकेजिंग वाइन की होती है because wine of course they are not allowed alcohol.
हाँ, of course.
Grape is not what they are allowed. They are not allowed orange. They are not allowed anything which is citric by nature. उसमें होता उनको जो पीने लायक है, but it is more about the marketing that has come into the play.
Correct.
And I think right now I'm in this better position because I started precursor to the whole situation starting. बिकॉज अब मुझे दिख रहा है एवरी सेकंड पर्सन बीइंग लाइक अरे पेट इंडस्ट्री में बहुत अच्छे मार्जिन्स है, CAGR बहुत अच्छा है, द इंडस्ट्री इज ग्रोइंग, देन वी आल्सो वांट टू एंटर. सो नाउ यू आर एंटरिंग विद अ वेरी डिफरेंट मोटो.
Yes.
Whereas when I started it was you're starting more with that passion कि नहीं मुझे मेरे डॉग के लिए आइसक्रीम करना है तो आप दूसरों के लिए कर रहे हो. ऑन द वे यू स्टार्टेड लर्निंग एवरीथिंग कि ठीक है न्यूट्रिशन भी सीखना है, आपने बिहेवियर भी सीखना है, आपको समझ में आ रहा है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी आर इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द वेस्ट एंड द यूरोपियन मार्केट. So yeah, that's how it started. What I did realize is to grow Waggy Zone, I needed to be vertical growth की ज़रूरत है या आप horizontal growth करो. I did try creating some treats and other things, but that space was too competitive. Already treats आ चुके थे. Problem with India is कि 90% material जो आता है वो import होके आता है.
Correct.
Right, क्योंकि हमारा you know, we have our deals, India has their deals with the SAARC nations, and वहाँ पे ऐसा है कि आपको थाईलैंड या ये सब जगहों से विदाउट टैक्स आ रहा है, जबकि मैं अगर इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चर कर रही हूँ, जो कि मैं आइसक्रीम भी मैन्युफैक्चर करती हूँ, तो मुझे 18% GST भरना पड़ रहा है, राइट? आई डोंट हैव एनी लीवेज ऑन टू इट. सो ट्रीट्स जब आप इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, या व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू गेट stuff made here, it was getting very expensive.
Okay.
And for us this was an advantage कि we knew it before that whole shift came where people were like कि China से अभी India की तरफ से हम manufacturing करना start करेंगे.
Correct.
So I feel that was one of the advantages we had. उसी दौरान I ended up going to Shark Tank. When I went to Shark Tank, the reason why I went and what was my vision with Waggy Zone was we wanted to be Baskin Robin in the pet industry. This is exactly how I had envisioned कि हमारा you know, there will be stores everywhere where dogs can come, have the ice cream, and the pet parent comes and enjoys the ice cream, and think that was the concept how it started. Lockdown हो गया, we couldn't go ahead with that concept. Otherwise I had like spoken to stores जहाँ पे we thought we'll have softie machine, and you know, ice creams could be made from the premix that we were making. So all that happened, situation changed, आपका लॉकडाउन हो गया, आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Then Shark Tank happened. When Shark Tank happened, the reason why I went there also, I felt that we were manufacturers, and I said I want to globally send out my ice creams, not only restrain myself to India.
Correct.
And we had solved that problem by coming to premix powders.
Right.
Because आपका frozen में chain नहीं है, logistics नहीं है, आप उसको cool में कैसे रखो, आप उसको temperature sensitive नहीं रख सकते. So lot of things were there, and because I'm lazy in cooking, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है ये पाउडर है, इसमें पानी डाल दिया, मिक्स कर दिया, तो मैं नॉर्थ सूप की तरह बहुत कुछ यू नो सिंपल हो गया आपका, आपने से पानी डाल दिया, आप उसको फटाफट अवन के अंदर कर दिया, एंड यू आर डन विद इट. सो आई सेड अगर सूप्स के लिए हो सकता है, व्हाई नॉट फॉर आइसक्रीम्स, यू नो, व्हाई नॉट कि सिर्फ आप पानी डाल रहे हो या मिल्क डाल रहे हो. उसी दौरान आई थिंक फॉर ह्यूमंस यू डू गेट दीज कुल्फी पाउडर्स एंड आइसक्रीम पाउडर्स जिसमें आप दूध डाल सकते हो, एंड माई पॉइंट वाज आई डोंट वांट मिल्क, राइट? सो देन वी बेस्ड इट अप ऑन कोकोनट मिल्क पाउडर, एंड आई वाज लाइक दैट इज मच ईजियर, इट्स रिच, इट्स क्रीमी, इट इज स्वीट बाय नेचर, तो मुझे शुगर एज सच ऐड ही नहीं करने की जरूरत है. देन व्हाई एम आई इवन, यू नो, इतना क्यों मैं दिमाग खराब कर रही हूँ अपना उस बनाने में जो चीज़ नेचुरली अवेलेबल है. एंड फ्रूट पाउडर्स ऑल्सो आर स्वीट. सो देन वी डिड आवर एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड मेड दैट, which went very well. Like pet parents during COVID were like, oh हम आइसक्रीम बना सकते घर पे, why not, let's do this. And when I started I was selling like 20-30 pieces in a month. एक ऑनलाइन स्टोर ने डाला एंड सडनली रीच टू 300. सो फॉर मी इट वाज 10x ऑलरेडी. आपने 30 से 300 पे पहुंच गए. इमीडिएटली व्हेन शी पुट द अदर्स वर लाइक, ओ हमें भी आइसक्रीम चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट्स लाइक अ नॉवेल्टी प्रोडक्ट, राइट? That's how it started growing. And stores also, like the distributors came to me saying कि आपके प्रोडक्ट की वजह से मुझे एंट्री मिल रही है एटलीस्ट. भले आपका प्रोडक्ट का MRP इतना हाई नहीं है, मार्जिन इतने ये नहीं है, बट इट्स अ नॉवेल्टी आइटम जिसकी वजह से मुझे एंट्री मिल रही है. स्टोर में एंट्री की वजह से मैं फिर पेट फूड भी दे सकता हूँ, मैं टॉयज भी दे सकता हूँ.
सही बात है, सही बात है. और एक क्रेजी प्रोडक्ट अगर एक दुकान में मिल रहा है तो अब आपका वो दुकान के साथ वैसा एक रिलेशन बॉन्ड बन जाता है ना. आप फिर बाकी बोलोगे कि मैं 10 जगह क्यों जाऊँ, मैं उसी दुकान से बाकी सारी चीज़ें भी ले लेता हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स दैट हैपेंस.
Exactly. So on the way learning all of this, but like I said, after Shark Tank I was a little broken and I was on the part कि मुझे बंद करना है. I have like worked 5-6 years but इसमें कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, and what am I even trying to do? Like either it is becoming a global or it's nothing for me. I didn't have the capacity कि मैं इसको horizontally या vertically उतना grow कर सकूँ, because आपको फिर capital intense game खेलना है. You are because I was novelty product, people मुझे कैश पे पैसा दे रहे थे. The minute I'm getting into treat, they are saying credit चाहिए, आपको डिस्काउंट मार्जिन्स हाई चाहिए. मेरे डिस्काउंट मार्जिन्स में आइसक्रीम में कम दे रही थी. They were like हाँ ठीक है, कुछ नहीं, वैसे ही 12 पीसेस बिक रहे, राइट? बट फॉर मी दैट वाज ह्यूज अमाउंट. तो करते करते then when my partner right now, Hari, who's basically who has been a distributor in the south, so he handles Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and so we knew each other because he was also selling my products, and I just shared with him. I said, Hari, I'm like really tired. Either I want to do it big or I just now feel like I've given it too many years and it's done. Like either I think something else. And he's like, oh, you know what? I'm also thinking of building a D2C brand. I've also been into B2B space for long. I want to build a D2C brand, and you have some experience of it, and by and large, unknowingly, you have created a community.
Of course.
पेट पेरेंट्स की भी कम्युनिटी बन गई थी, बिकॉज आइसक्रीम वॉज सच अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट कि मुझे न्यूट्रिशन से लेके उनको कैसे खिलाने से लेके आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू बी देयर एट एवरी पॉइंट इन दैट जर्नी अननोइंगली. Second, what happened is when I was given I think I was given one of the women's award in Amsterdam by Women Economic Forum. So when they gave me an award, they told me as a return, you have to do something for the society. And I said, what can I do? Like, you're hardly 23, 24, you're like, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? And he's like, no, if you're a woman from the pet industry, you will create a community for women in the pet industry in Maharashtra. I was like, इतने लोग भी नहीं होंगे, but today we are like 100 of them in that group
Community,
where
yes.
they are helping, like you said, someone's making a cake, someone is stitching clothes, किसी को packaging नहीं मिल रहा तो आपने कर लिया. So knowingly unknowingly एक community बन गई थी. So you know, Hari just said, you know what, I've wanted to do this. Why don't you take care of what you are good at, taking care of the community, doing your more studies, getting people educated about what is pet parenting. And I can also, help around with the products. I already have more
Operations
than 2,000
also.
products operating here. So your manufacturing can also happen here, and you know, we can expand this business rather than you running alone in this. And I was
Correct.
like, this feels
Makes sense,
like,
yes.
Maybe I'm just exhausted. वो जो 5 साल के बाद वाला situation आ
सही
गया
बात
था
है.
where you're like, बस हो गया, like what am I doing, why am I
Correct.
doing this करके. And I was like, okay, maybe if there's a partner in this helps. So that was one thing I felt helped a lot. Also the second part was कि मेरे ऊपर से जो अगर operations निकल रहा है manually, right, because आपके ऊपर मैं manufacturing भी करो, आप branding भी करो, फिर आप जाके पैसे भी collect कर रहे हो, आप जाके बेच भी रहे हो, so you're handling every aspect and you're not growing to a point where you can now expand your team. Whereas the minute you're merging, I feel that was an easier option for me. It was operation वो handle कर रहे, तो I knew I could just be the front end. I could
And
be
brand
the face,
building
I
का
could do the brand
yes.
building, which I was doing anyway,
Anyway,
like going for
correct.
the B2B meets or meeting the
And that is your forte.
Yeah.
Operations probably wasn't your forte. तो
Absolutely.
इसके लिए वो आपको ज़्यादा exhaust भी कर रहा था. Now that you're only working in your forte, it won't exhaust you. It will just keep pushing you to do better and more.
Absolutely, and
Yes.
give me the space to even grow in my own firm, right? Like I take up classes, I take up sessions, I'm learning about pet healing, I'm learning about things of how frequencies help. I'm being able to do those things which I wanted to do, but I was not being able to do. And like you said earlier also, it was Papa, like I said, he was into manufacturing. So he used to manufacture, I used to do only the sales, right?
Correct.
It was only when, because of FSSAI rules and regulations, when he said that you cannot manufacture now, because it had reached a point where now it was visible to everybody कि अच्छा ये factory में भी कुत्ते का ice cream भी बन रहा है, right?
Okay.
So for him it became a situation where he's like कुत्ते and human का ice cream I cannot manufacture together, you need to separate.
सही बात है, makes
When
sense.
that happened is when I felt I got overly exhausted कि आप manufacturing भी कर रहे हो, आप branding भी कर रहे हो, आप नए प्रोडक्ट्स भी डेवलप करने की कोशिश कर
और आप कम्युनिटी में एंगेज भी करते रह रहे हो. इट इज डिफिकल्ट एक जन के लिए सब कुछ करना.
या कोई पूछ रहा है मेरे डॉग को यू नो कुछ हो गया, आपको कोई वेटरिनरियन पता है, यू बाय नेचर नो इट, सो यू लाइक ठीक है, आई विल गो एंड हेल्प, बट इट इज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द डे.
And no, engaging with 100 people, भले it is a 1-minute chat discussion, but to engaging with 100 people
Yeah.
constantly and making sure that you constantly keep engaging, that is a task. Yeah.
And takes your bandwidth, and sometimes किसी ने कुछ ऐसी चीज बता दी for a dog or a cat and you're like मेरा पूरा दिन अब मैं काम ही नहीं कर पा रही because you heard some
सही
news,
बात
like
है, सही
especially
बात
when
है.
adoption appeals and all used to come, you're just so overdrained with that situation.
सही बात. I know, I've been through that. Like मैं तो अपने फोन में कोई भी negative dog related या any animal related negative content आता है, I make sure I go and I say I don't want to watch such content, so
Right.
please don't show me such content.
मतलब वो पूरा आपका फिर वो
पूरा मूड ऑफ हो जाता है.
you're
Yes,
just like, I
yes.
don't want to do this, what am I doing, why am I even doing this if I can't save this creature.
सही बात
All
है.
of those things enter. So yeah, that's how then happened. And so now we're 4 partners in Pets of Paradise, and when we came together we created Pets of Paradise.
Okay. What is Pets of Paradise? The ice cream company that we are talking about is Vaggie Zone.
Yeah, so ice cream brand is
Vaggie
Vaggie
Zone, okay.
The umbrella company now is Pets of Paradise.
Okay.
Under Pets of Paradise, we've got Indian Hound, which is basically a DIY dog food, wherein we've created flavors of dog food ice cream.
It's
Dog
all about
food.
ice creams.
Yeah, I have lived ice cream for so long. But yeah, it's basically DIY dog food, wherein there's meat in it, different meats that we've tried to bring in. We've got squid, we've got chicken liver, we've created more of seafood flavorings as well. So there's meat, there's veggies in it, that is it, and it's compact. So what a pet parent has to do is just add cooked rice, water, warm water, and your meal is ready. So
Ready.
it's as good as home cooked meal आपका जो है. Then there's Indie Cat, which is a complete meal and for cats. So it's you don't even have to add water or rice.
It's dry food?
No, it's wet.
It's wet food.
It's
Okay.
wet. So you have Indie Cat, you have Indian Hound, and the third one is Waggy Zone, which is the doggy ice cream, which again we've rebranded now with it. And that's also a DIY ice cream wherein you have to just add warm water, mix it and freeze it.
Right.
So yeah, this is what it is. And Pets of Paradise basically is the umbrella brand.
Okay.
You can say I'm the umbrella company, wherein we have different verticals. So we have 4 partners in it. One of them is Hari, who basically understands operations, distribution, has always been into distribution. His father was also into it, so he's also there since family.
Right, so he understands
he's
that vertical.
And he's been in the south for like years now, donkey's years, that way. The second partner whom I have, Dipesh, he is basically from Hisar, Haryana. He also, from his family business, has been into manufacturing of textiles.
Okay.
So they basically have a vertical manufacturing integration wherein वो threads भी उनके यहाँ पे बनता है, stitching भी उनके यहाँ पे होता है, पूरा जाके complete हो रहा है, आप collars भी कर रहे हो, and then he makes leashes, collars, harnesses and dog beds and cat beds and things like this. So he's into more of those products.
Interesting.
So that is him. And then we have the fourth partner, Bhavya Desai. He is basically an illustrationist and he basically illustrates the thing. So we have two, like this is Bushi, he's created this.
Okay, nice.
And so we've got mascots, we've got our own ways of, we wanted to convey the information but more from a dog and a cat's perspective. So that's where he plays an important role, where he creates the stories, he'll create these characters and he illustrates and animates.
Proper storytelling करके देता है वो अपने
so
illustrations के
he's
through.
basically
Nice.
the person, because what Hari also and I also realized is that a lot of brands are there, right? And I mean, there's nothing new. Everybody wants to now create community. People want to come together to share out knowledge. But there has to be something which is, you know, giving out the way it's consumable by them. And where we felt Milo and Bushi played an important role, where, you know, if I'm telling you the same thing from a dog's perspective, it's a very different, cute thing. You're like, oh, look, this dog is trying to tell me.
So Milo and Bushi are your mascots?
Yeah, Milo and Bushi.
Okay.
We also have, our community is divided into Team Milo and Team Bushi. So Team Milo is
Nice.
basically dog parents and Team Bushi is basically cat
Quite
parents.
engaging. This is quite engaging, yeah.
Yeah, we have webinars, then it's depending on which team it is of, then the dog parent or the cat parents get it. We've realized that the needs are now dividing. Pehle cat parents were not as much, now that has also increased significantly. So we felt they needed to know more information about it. And we are like, I think, one of the first ones to create a community specifically for cat parents.
Nice.
That is something that was still not there. Like dog parents, there are.
Fair. Right, of course. I mean, yeah, the amount of dog parents or communities are much higher than cat parents or communities. Yes, this I have also noticed personally. But chaliye, Waggy Zone ko 5 years ho gaya, correct? How long has it been for the other two brands, the dog food brand and the cat food brand?
Pets of Paradise, it's just launched a year back.
Okay.
And we were then doing our own research.
Okay.
The Indian Hound and Indie Cat is just launched, like you could say a few months back.
Okay.
The reason also why Hari and I came together for this one was mainly what I felt was that the food was being imported mainly from Europe and coming from either USA, right? So these were the two main markets where we were being influenced by. So any kind of nutrition course also that I did, they would talk about herbs and spices which are specifically grown in those areas.
Okay.
And that is what is going inside, right? आप जो मीट की बात कर रहे हो वो वहाँ की मीट है, वहाँ के लोकल सोर्सिंग है और वहाँ से आ रहा है आपके किबल्स फॉर्म में यहाँ पे. That's how we had started that trend. But what we did realize is, even though like I have a GSD and I have Husky, their problems are different, right? Because they're not in Germany, they're not in Siberia, they're not in European area, they are in India. Indian temperature is different, Indian climate is different, Indian spices are different.
Correct.
And while I cook at home for them, like even today, meal gets made at home for them. I do add ghee, I will add a bit of haldi, I will add a bit of dalchini, I will add a bit of spices which I feel are actually going to help them, right? So that is what even I wanted to do since a long time, that there has to be products which are more Indianized, because at the end आप इंडिया में कंज्यूम कर रहे हो, at the end यहाँ के spices are good and it is giving them health benefit. I mean, it was long enough we had told that haldi is okay for the dogs. You know, they said no, and then recent research study came and they said कि नहीं अभी तो haldi is okay. like we knew it since our Ayurvedic time that haldi is okay. You can give, लगता है तो आप घी हल्दी लगा के हल्का सा आप लेप लगा लेते हो. That's how we've been doing it, right?
Correct.
And I was anyway doing it at home because I was used to that.
Correct.
So then we realized that why not to the other pets also, and so we got down these ideas. We made the stuff and we've created the trial batches that's gone out, and that's how Indian Cat and Indie Howl came into the.
Correct. That's interesting because see, being a pet parent myself, there is this one thing that bothers me a lot, okay? Ki people really don't know what to feed their dogs. I know this is a little off topic, but I think we should take this opportunity to just share a small message ki dogs are lactose intolerant.
Yeah, they are.
All dogs are lactose intolerant. No dog should be given milk. जबकि हर एक पेरेंट या हर एक का फर्स्ट थिंग आता है कि दूध दे दो, कुत्ते को दूध दे दो. कितने सारे पंडित्स बोलते हैं कि आप हर रविवार हर मतलब डॉग को जाके दूध दो.
वो बोलते हैं एक्चुअली सफेद वाली चीज दे दो. सो व्हाट आई टेल देम इज कि आप दही दो. बिकॉज़ दही इज एक्चुअली ओके बिकॉज़ वो प्रोबायोटिक में आ जाता है.
बट दही भी तो दूध से बनता है.
हाँ, बट दही जब भी आप जैसे ही दूध में कन्वर्ट करते हो, द रीजन व्हाई आई क्रिएटेड फ्रोजन योगर्ट इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस इज बिकॉज जब आप दूध से दही करते हो तो जो बैक्टीरिया या जो बैक्टीरिया वो लोग डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं वो मर जाते हैं एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाते हैं. सो व्हेन यू आर क्रिएटिंग दैट होल प्रोसेस ऑफ द कर्डलिंग दैट हैपेंस, the properties of it changes. It's no more dahi. The raw dahi doesn't suit a lot of them. Also the acidic value is very different of a दूध than a dahi.
Correct.
तो दही जब भी आपने देखा होगा acidity होती तो
वो काम करता है
छाछ
उल्टा.
पिला देते. Even I still feed छाछ मतलब you're just mixing दूध and दही and पानी and I add a bit of hing in it. Like literally a little bit so that gas या कुछ भी kind of आपको जो irritation हो रहा है, digestion नहीं हो पा रहा है because they are also eating meat constantly. And though I understand that they are carnivorous by nature, cats तो especially are obligate carnivorous. उनको तो आप veg खिला के कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. Their body can't digest it only. But at the same time, our way of feeding them and what they would have actually got in nature and how their digestive system is still a little different, right? So it's important that there are a lot of other things then you give them as supplements.
Correct, because so again, milk was one thing that I'm like totally against people giving milk to their dogs. Second is, why do people convert their dogs into pure vegetarians just because you are a pure veg? See, I'm a pure veg. I'm a Marwadi. मेरे घर पे non-veg आता भी नहीं है. I'm a pure vegetarian. But for the dog तो non-veg आएगा ही. Like you cannot keep your dog full vegetarian. And I know so many people who have like turned their dogs completely veg, and that is not good for the dog. अगर आपको एक veg animal पालना है, आप गाय पालो, आप बकरी पालो, dog क्यों पाल रहे हो?
नहीं, I agree with this. I'm also a pure vegetarian. Like I don't even have anda. And at that space when I went into this and I realized that उनका पूरा जो digestive system है उसमें वो प्रोटीन फैट और प्लांट प्रोटीन और प्लांट का डाइजेस्ट ही नहीं कर पा रहे, आप उसमें से एंजाइम्स ही नहीं उठा पा रहे हो, तो वो एज गुड एज वो चारा लेके बाहर निकाल देगा. एंड हाउ विल यू सी द रिएक्शंस इज मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द वेजिटेरियन डॉग्स आई हैव सीन विल हैव इमेंस अमाउंट्स ऑफ वैक्स इन देयर ईयर्स. वो खुजाते ही रहेंगे बिकॉज आपका जो आप कभी रोटी अगर आप दे रहे हो या अगर आप उनको प्योरली वेजिटेरियन डाइट पे रख रहे हो, then there's a lot of wax that gets created. Their skin tends to be very unhealthy.
And it decreases a couple of years also that they will live.
Absolutely. But they're not even living a good life.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, ठीक है, आप देखो आप 5 साल जीना है, आप जी लो, ठीक है, I'm okay with that. But my point is at least at 5 years have a good life.
Correct.
Right? You be healthy. Your skin should look good. You should feel happy. If you're not happy internally, externally, you're not going to be happy at all. And though I understand that they love them, like you're giving them all the love that you want, or you're pampering them, but trying to go against the prakriti, like I always say, that's their nature.
Correct.
आपको non-veg चाहिए. Their teeth is different. If you see their whole teeth structure is different than our teeth
Correct.
structure.
Yes,
right?
they are carnivorous animals. Dogs are carnivorous. Yes.
They need the, like just before this we started, I was telling you, I keep giving them bones to chew on. Though I'm a vegetarian, मैं बोलूँगी नहीं बाबा उनको ले पाया आएगा because they need it. They need something to chew on. Otherwise, what's the point of such strong teeth that they have, and then they're not getting to chew? आप खिचड़ी बना के दे रहे हो. How are they going to? I mean, anyway, that's another.
Yeah, I understand, but yeah, I just wanted to like make sure we make this a point so people understand that milk मत दो, वेजिटेरियन मत रखो अपने डॉग को. आप लोग कितने भी वेजिटेरियन हो वो अच्छी बात है, बट डॉग
I mean, don't let them go in their temple. I agree to that. I understand till a lot of
हाँ.
expect कि ठीक है आपको लगता है कि मंदिर की मर्यादा है, आप मंदिर में चीजें अच्छे हिसाब से लग रही हो, they'll come and follow. I agree.
आप उनका यूटेंसिल्स अलग रखो, आप उनका यूटेंसिल्स किचन में भी मत लेके जाओ, वो सारी बातें समझ में आती है, बट डोंट स्टॉप देम फ्रॉम हैविंग व्हाट दे शुड हैव, व्हाट इज नेसेसरी फॉर देम. इट इज नॉट अ एडिशनल प्रोडक्ट. कोई आपको बोल रहा नहीं है कि आप ये भी करो, उसके लिए वो भी करो, उतना तो करो जितना उसको जरूरी है.
Right. नहीं, उसी basis पे I mean it's a bit off topic, but 2 days back only, like we are just starting with this thing. Every Wednesdays we'll be putting out carousels on adoption appeals, right? So we are tying up with NGOs where there are 3 options they have. One is of course आप adopt कर सकते हो. दूसरा है कि अगर आप adopt नहीं कर सकते आप virtually adopt कर लो, कि आप monthly उसके लिए कुछ पैसे दे दो, but we will take care of it. The third option is कि you be the champion and keep spreading the word. Instagram पे आपने डाल दिया, ग्रुप्स में डाल दिया, things like this, ठीक है? Because there are a lot of young kids who are like कि हमारे पास पैसे भी नहीं, हम decision भी नहीं ले सकते of taking an animal with us, but the least you can do is
Share
spread
it.
the word.
Correct.
And things like this. In that aspect also, I was so pissed because there were so many breed dogs that were being thrown, they were given out, that you're taking care of, and usme the same thing I said ki if you can't take care it's okay, but if you are an animal lover, give to your streeties, give to your community dogs, give back to the cats and dogs that are living in your building. उतना भी आपका हो गया. एंड जैसे हम बोलते 10 आपने निकाल दिया, सिमिलरली अगर आपका कुछ बजट है कि अगर मैं पेट को घर पे लाया तो से सपोज मैं 100 रुपया दिन का खर्चा करने वाला हूँ, जस्ट गिविंग एन अमाउंट, आप उतना ही दे दो एंड गिव इट टू द कम्युनिटी एनिमल्स.
करेक्ट.
नॉट एवरी डॉग नीड्स टू बी गॉट होम इज समथिंग आई एम वेरी रिजिड अबाउट, बिकॉज इफ दे आर लिविंग इन देयर इकोसिस्टम यू डोंट हैव टू जस्ट पिक अप ओ ये क्यूट लग रहा है मैं इसको घर ले जाऊँ. नहीं, उसका एक इकोसिस्टम है, देयर इज अ सिस्टम, उसके है फैमिली मेम्बर्स, वो अपना खेल रहा है, इट्स ओके एज लॉन्ग एज दे आर सेफ.
करेक्ट.
And if you're bringing a life, then you might as well take care of it. Because
Right.
so many breed cases we see कि आप लेके अभी भी एक था in Amritsar I think or some other place, and a teammate is talking to me and she's like अरे मैम वो बाजू वाले घर के उसको छत में बांध के चले जाते हैं सुबह से लेकर रात तक. 48 degrees अमृतसर, चंडीगढ़, Noida, Gurgaon. My dog was peeing blood at that point in time. 48 degrees. We are sitting over there in Gurgaon. You're telling me the dog is up in the छत बंधा हुआ. What am I supposed to even tell? And you're telling them कि आपको नीचे आप दे दो हमको dog. नहीं, ये status symbol. That is, you're like don't bring a life.
सही बात
If you're
है.
bringing, you take care. If you can't, then take care of the community animal.
Correct.
That is a better option.
करेक्ट. ये स्टेटस सिंबल है, ये किसी और का लाइफ इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ योर स्टेटस सिंबल. तो
But absolutely, even to the extent where you're using them as props and all for reels and all, I mean, I was like, no, this is not what we want to get
Correct.
into. You're dehumanizing everything around you with the fact that everything is becoming a prop and everything is becoming something to just be very proud of. That's not.
correct. Yeah, it shouldn't be like that. Just love it for the soul it has. For
Yeah,
the
it gives you happiness. Of course, it's a family member. It loves you. It takes care of you. You take care of it. That's about it. But yeah,
right.
I mean, that's a sincere appeal that if you can't take care, please just take care of the streeties or the community. They're equally loving.
correct. And if you think you can take care, then please take care from the
Entirely.
actual the rule book. अपने rule book नहीं कि हाँ
फिर
हम इनको
entirely
रोटी पे
उनका
रखेंगे,
ध्यान
हम इनको चावल पे रखेंगे, नहीं. नॉट खुद के रूल बुक्स नहीं, जो एक्चुअल डॉग का रूल बुक है वो फॉलो करो तो ही रखो, अदरवाइज मत रखो.
Yeah.
Right, fair enough. So moving from this, let's talk about your Shark Tank experience. ठीक है कि Shark Tank में आपको काफ़ी criticism मिला था from what I remember from the episode that I have seen, basically price points and market niche होने पे. Correct? उस पे अपने 2 चीज़ पे बात करते हैं. Firstly, I had heard Anupam Mittal say in one of the episodes or in one of his podcasts, I can't recollect from where I had heard this, but I had heard this and it stayed with me. What he said was, when you enter a market जिसका niche नहीं है, जो market size बहुत बड़ी है, तो आप उसमें 10 बार भी गलती कर लोगे ना तो इट्स ओके. 11th टाइम आपके पास स्टिल एक बहुत बड़ा मार्केट रहेगा कैप्चर करने के लिए, बिकॉज द मार्केट साइज ऑलरेडी बहुत बड़ा है. जब आपका मार्केट साइज बहुत नीश होता है, उसमें जब आप 1-2 गलतियां कर लेते हो, देन उसमें फिर उस मार्केट को क्रैक करना और डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो मार्केट का साइज ऑलरेडी छोटा है. उस साइज में भी लोगों ने देख लिया कि आपने तो 2-3 मेजर गलतियां कर दी है. So then to crack that market, it becomes even more difficult. This I had heard him say and it stayed with me. Correct? अब coming from the Shark Tank का experience, first आप मेरे को आपका Shark Tank experience बताना. Secondly, जैसे ही वो episode ख़त्म हुआ, आपका price points में एक major gap आ गया था. What was your thought process behind that, and like what was happening that time? How did you take how did you take the criticism that was coming your way, and then how did you turn things around for yourself? And I'm assuming कि तब तक तो खाली Waggy Zone था.
Yeah.
After that, Pets of Paradise and the 2 other cat and dog food companies came in the picture. तो आप मेरे को एक बार आपका experience, आपका thought process समझाइए वहाँ पे.
So Shark Tank actually हम season 1 में भी गए थे because जब first time Shark Tank आया था we were at 91 Springboard Pune and I think Shark Tank जब पहली बार आ रहा था इंडिया में तो they had got in touch with some institutions like 91 Springboard and all where they said that if there are some startups which you would like to recommend, let us know. So the head there in Pune is a very close friend of ours, so he without asking just gave us our names. वैसे हुआ था and they called us up, they were like oh we would like because it's a unique idea. That experience कि आपके 5 जो experienced entrepreneurs है वो आप पे focus कर रहे was a very important क्योंकि आप अपने नज़रिए से नहीं देख रहे हो आप बिजनेस को. Now there are 5 people who've already run a business talking to you and asking you simple questions, right? Which are very simple. आप धंधा कर रहे हो, आप धंधे के questions ही पूछने वाले हो. That was nothing कि आपको rocket science वहाँ पे explain करना. It was something जो आप कर रहे हो.
और आपको उसके बारे में नॉलेज होना चाहिए और नहीं है तो आपको एक वहाँ पे रियलिटी चेक मिल जाता है.
रियलिटी चेक कि आप क्या क्या चीज मिस कर रहे हो, आपको क्या चीजें नहीं पता है एंड व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. करेक्ट. वेयर आई फेल्ट what Anupam or say all 5 had in general was yes the price point that you mentioned earlier कि that was higher, but what had happened is actually मेरा जो रिकॉर्डिंग था वो पहले हो चुका था. Right? तब मेरा आइसक्रीम 200 रुपीज पे था. Correct. And this was say somewhere a year before the episode had launched. उसके बाद I had no hopes कि वो जाएगा because I did not get the funding, right? So they had said the chances of it being aired is minimal, right? और हमने तो किसी को बताया भी नहीं था कि हम Shark Tank गए हुए हैं. I remember I was in Vietnam and I was like I told you after Shark Tank I was at a point where I was like मुझे नहीं करना है, right? So 1-2 डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से बात किया and what they said is कि maybe because it is too niche, आपका 199 रुपीज़ पे है, not every pet parent is being able to take it, why don't you try reducing the rate. ठीक है. So मैंने कहा कि ठीक है अब ये लास्ट चीज़ है वो भी ट्राई करके देख ही लेते हैं, इसमें तो मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. That's how that conversation and when Hari was one of the important distributors जिसको मैंने फ़ोन लगाया था वियतनाम से कि because summers is about to come, तो मेरा December January we plan for the summers because Feb end onward summers will start. So I was like summers is about to start, अब मुझे लगता है मुझे कम करना चाहिए एंड ही ऑल्सो सेड कि ठीक है दर्शन अगर तुझे लग रहा है दिस इज द लास्ट थिंग तो ट्राई दिस एटलीस्ट एंड डू. सो आई सेड 199 से मैं 99 ला के देखती हूँ, लेट अस सी इफ द सेल्स इंक्रीज और नॉट. दैट वाज द होल पॉइंट कि tier 2 tier 3 भी पहुँच सकेगा. बट इट वॉज सच अ नेचर्स प्ले यू कैन से कि उसी टाइम जनवरी में कॉल आ गया कि आपका शार्क टैंक का एपिसोड एयर होने वाला है. February was when it got aired and it was just about to reach my summer time and we had already made it 99 rupees. Oh. But because उसने episode में बोला कि आपका कम होना चाहिए ये होना चाहिए and what my marketing team did is they made it we heard you sharks and they made it 99.
But see that might be a very good thing but it looks very wrong. It looks like कि wow मतलब इनका इतना margins था कि इन लोग इतना comfortably इतना margins drop कर दिए. It looks very wrong.
So there we had actually also told कि जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था when it was at 199 the quantity was very little like I told you हम पहले से 30 pieces बेच रहे right? Okay. तो आपका production cost high है.
Economies of scale.
300 pieces पे पहुंचे थे. By that time I think I made it to 99. I was already selling 5,000-6,000 pieces in a month, right? So then for me getting in bulk the coconut milk powder या fruit powder was cheaper. So logically I had already reached to the point where I could make it 99. It is just that timing ऐसा हो गया कि वो भी हो गया. Publicity was happening. People were very happy. But the best part about that was that Indian community from across the seas. So there were people from USA, Australia. I remember somebody calling from Spain, and these were all Indians who have settled there, want to do some business, called me up and they were like, we're so happy to see an Indian brand doing this. Don't worry, we are with you. आप अकेले मत समझना, हम आपके लिए करेंगे. हम $2 होता है 200 रुपये, आप टेंशन मत करो, हम बेचेंगे आपके लिए. There was a very different excitement that got created. So while it came down as they thought that I got pressurized by Shark Tank और मैंने 200 से 100 रुपया कर दिया, that was not why I actually did it. It just happened कि economics of the scale के हिसाब से मैं वहाँ पे पहुँच गई कि चलो ठीक है अब मैं 200 की जगह 100 रुपये में बेच सकती हूँ ये आइसक्रीम. And what Aman had also said उसने एक ही स्टेटमेंट बोला कि मैं अपने लिए भी इतना महंगा आइसक्रीम नहीं खरीदूंगा, मैं 1 के ऊपर 1 फ्री मैं अपने लिए भी लेता हूँ, वेनिला पे 1 के ऊपर 1 क्वालिटी है इसका आपको मिल जाता है, राइट? तो मैं मेरे कुत्ते के लिए क्यों वो खरीदूंगा? बट आई अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज अमन डजंट हैव अ डॉग, right? So he's anyway not somebody whom I am talking to, yeah, a target audience for me. My target audience was at that point in time someone like I used to get people from Punjab, Chandigarh, Amritsar, where people used to pay 2,000 rupees delivery charges for the frozen ice cream with dry ice.
Correct.
Right, so that is where initially I was at. आप स्लोली मास में जाते हो जब आपको पता है कि हाँ मेरे पास इतनी अभी कैपेसिटी है प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, rather than making smaller quantity.
Makes
so
sense.
it was at timing where it happened, but like you mentioned, a lot of people also came to ask you, is there so much margin? Where we did explain them that now we can reduce it, then why not create it for the masses?
Correct, and that only would make more sense also because see the market is such that it would make sense only when it is for the masses. क्योंकि अगर आप वो 1% niche of India को पकड़ के चलो भी तो भी the product is such कि आप वो everyday consume नहीं करा सकते.
आप करो भी then like I told you, either या तो मेरा टारगेट was आप बास्किन रॉबिन की तरह बन रहे हो कि आप ग्लोबली एक आइसक्रीम ब्रांड हो.
हाँ,
आप पेट आइसक्रीम आपने अपनी मोनोपोली बना दी है, राइट? विच आई स्टिल फील आई हैव बिकॉज आई सस्टेन दोस 4-5 years ऑफ टफ टाइम और आपने इतनी R&D की है. लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज नाउ कम टू अस एंड वी डू वाइट लेबलिंग फॉर अ कपल ऑफ देम, राइट? सो दे कम टू अस कि आपने ऑलरेडी इतना मेहनत किया, आपने पैलेटेबिलिटी आपको मिल गई है डॉग्स की, आपको समझ में आ गया कौन से फ्लेवर्स चल रहे हैं, तो वाई डोंट वी जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट योर्स, एंड विच आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम एज लॉन्ग एज, which was one of the conversation I and one of my cousin had, where she said ki, you know, either you are creating a whole category or you're holding your brand. If you're holding your brand, you're running alone in the race, nobody is there with you, it will never grow. But when you have competitors, that whole category is growing and you think that you're creating a whole category, and people started knowing me as doggy ice cream person, right? So that itself was a very big achievement. I felt कि आप एक category करो, like I told you in the start कि frozen था ही नहीं, हमारे पास फ्रोजन ही नहीं था, which is why I had to go to powder because I felt कि either I can create frozen category or an ice cream category.
Correct.
Both are categories at the end of the day, and which nobody was doing it. But now we have couple of brands which have started doing doggy ice creams and they've got same formulations. There was even I think HUFT Beach में which made fresh yogurt ice creams in Bangalore where they were serving the dogs that were coming in. So I felt good कि ठीक है, that wave has at least started where you're giving ice creams to the dogs.
Correct. Fair. But मेरे को इसमें एक बात बताइए, आपके पास एक USP था जो आप कर रहे हो वो सिर्फ आप ही कर रहे हो, वो और किसी को समझ ही नहीं रहा है, वो क्रैक करने को भी उसको प्रॉब्ली थोड़ा टाइम लग जाएगा समझने को, एंड देन दे विल बी एबल टू लॉन्च इट. यू ऑल ऑलरेडी हैड द फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज, करेक्ट? अब वाइट लेबलिंग में एंटर करना, डजंट दैट गिव यू दैट फियर फैक्टर और स्कैरी फीलिंग कि व्हाट इफ मैं उनके लिए भी वही चीज़ बना रही हूँ, मैं अपने लिए भी वही चीज़ बना रही हूँ, उनका पोजिशनिंग, ब्रांडिंग एंड मार्केट प्लेसमेंट अगर बेटर हो गया मेरे से तो क्या?
For anything, for longest time I did not want to do white labeling. Okay, like you mentioned, आपको एक fear है कि वो आपका ले रहा है. But now there are two things to here. One is my expertise, which nobody can take from me. But at the same time, if a bigger brand wants to enter into it, nobody is stopping it.
Correct.
Right. मेरा आइसक्रीम आज आप एक समझ लो कि नॉर्मल जो एक हाथ से बनाने वाला कुल्फी बनाता है उसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा होता है, राइट? बट उसके पास आज की तारीख में ब्रांडिंग के लिए कैपेसिटी नहीं है, कैपिटल नहीं है, टीम नहीं है, सस्टेन करने के लिए नहीं है, राइट? क्योंकि वो एक प्रोडक्ट पे टिक नहीं पा रहा है, वो कमा रहा है, वो उधर ही खर्चा हो रहा है, उधर ही कमा रहा है, उधर ही खर्चा हो रहा है. दैट इज़ वॉट आई वॉज. I cannot compete with somebody who wishes to do the branding. Rather, if I can use my knowledge, my skill set, help the category grow, I feel I still have that one hand up ki Waggy Zone is still something which is, on priority. At the same time, I wouldn't have got an advantage of doing what I'm doing right now into getting into masses with dogs, food and cat food, unless I had got into the white labeling route also. So I feel a detachment from the brand is what helped me grow. At the same time, I never wanted to create a brand.
Okay.
Because I came from a space of manufacturing, right? So that was something which was much easier in my brain to work with. Manufacturing मैंने हमेशा देखी थी, पापा की manufacturing जब हम B2B ही करते थे, right? तो पहले जब मैंने आइसक्रीम बनाई थी मुझे B2B ही करना था. I thought I'll make it for somebody else. But nobody wanted to do it because they said कि आप पहले करो, test the market,
Correct.
do the trial. Now that you've shown them there's profits, now that you've shown them there's a business, now that you've shown them there's number, now they're happy to do it. So now
Right.
I have a choice. Either I tell them a no, which means they'll create their own manufacturing because जिसको enter होना है वो
होगा. Correct.
Right. Somebody copied us. I cannot mention the name, but they even used our packaging style. Right. तो जिसको copy करना है वो करेगा. People called me up and said आपने उसके लिए बनाया है क्या? I'm like पीछे पढ़ तो लो, मैंने बनाया भी नहीं है. But then I realized that the industry, because it's small, देखो at the end हर industry के कुछ लोग आप एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, right? And now because it has become 7 years, people already knew कि अगर आइसक्रीम बनी तो दर्शन नहीं बनाया होगा. So which I felt there was a credibility that you had created over a period of years, and it was a choice you have to take, either category or a brand. And which I felt building a category
was a bigger thrill.
Yeah,
definitely it's a bigger thrill.
Absolutely.
So, but then how do you differentiate your ice creams to anybody else's ice creams that you are only making? कुछ तो differentiating factor होगा कि like वो uniqueness maintain करने के लिए for the other brand also, कि आपको समझो I want to start a new ice cream brand, I tell you आप मेरे लिए please white labeling करिए, ठीक है? But I know you are also selling something. I don't want the same product to be sold at my website or my brand, correct? I want something different जो आप आपके वेबसाइट पे नहीं बेच रहे हो, जो सिर्फ मैं बेचूंगा और आप वो किसी और के लिए नहीं बना सकते.
Right. तो earlier we used to give difference of flavors कि जो मेरे 6 फ्लेवर्स है वो मैं आपको नहीं दूंगी, बट ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इज कि मेरे फ्लेवर्स ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड, एंड डॉग केस में कोई भी एक फ्लेवर नया ट्राई करना इज अ बिग हैसल, क्योंकि आपको उतने आप रिसर्च करोगे, कोई ह्यूमन की तरह नहीं ना कि खा के उसने बता दिया यार ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ये थोड़ा खट्टा है यार, इसमें थोड़ा ये ऐड कर दो, आपको ये फीडबैक नहीं मिल रहा है. डॉग ने या तो आके खा लिया या तो उसने सूंघ के छोड़ दिया. दिस इज द ओनली 2 फीडबैक यू गेट. उसके बाद उसकी माँ, उसका बाप सब आपको पूरा हिस्ट्री जोग्राफी बताएंगे, जिसका रेलेवेंस हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, राइट? सो it's based on assumption. So the 6 flavors that you have cracked is something they know कि यार ये तो खा ही लेगा डॉग, बिकॉज उसको पता है कि आपने इतनी मेहनत की है.
करेक्ट.
What I have realized is कि जो ब्रांड्स हमारे पास आते हैं बनवाने के लिए, they don't want to do mass selling. वो अपने शॉप में बेचना चाहते हैं, राइट? जैसे आपका जस्ट डॉग्स हो गया या जैसे आपका HUFT हो गया, वो अपने क्लाइंटल को बेचेगा. अब या तो वो अपना पुश करेगा या तो मेरा पुश करेगा, तो वो मेरा वैसे भी फिर लेना बंद कर देता है. अगर उसको अपना ब्रांड बनाना है ना, तो वो मेरे से मेरा आइसक्रीम वैगी ज़ोन लेना बंद कर देगा, वो अपना डाल देगा, राइट? जब वो अपना डालने ही वाला तो वो फिर आपसे ले या किसी और से ले, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आपका वैगी ज़ोन का सेल तो उधर वैसे ही कट होने वाला, तो माइट एज वेल डू द वाइट लेबलिंग एंड गिव इट टू देम. सो देन आई रियलाइज दैट इवन चेंजिंग द फ्लेवर इज नॉट मेकिंग अ वेरी बिग डिफरेंस, बिकॉज जब आप एज अ क्लाइंट, से सपोज एज अ पेट पेरेंट, आप हर एक चीज़ एक ब्रांड से ले रहे हो, आपका जो नीचे बनने वाला है उससे ही ले रहे हो, अब वो बन गया स्टोर. Every place has an HUFT, every place has a Just Dogs, every place has, says, you know, one brand that is there.
Heads up for tails.
हाँ, that is HUFT.
Okay.
Heads up for
right,
tail.
right.
Yeah, Huff. So वो बेसिकली अपना प्रोडक्ट डालेगा. अब वो हर चीज़ में वैसे ही अपना प्रोडक्ट डाल रहे हैं. एक और आइसक्रीम ऐड करने में उसका कुछ नहीं जा रहा है और वो कोई वेरिएशन नहीं है, और आप जाके उसके आइसक्रीम लेने के बाद मेरा आइसक्रीम चेक करोगे भी नहीं, राइट? सो दैट वाज वेयर आई रियलाइज कि इट डजंट मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस कि मुझे फ्लेवरिंग में टेस्ट करना है, डिफरेंट रखना है या नहीं रखना है. द ब्रांडिंग ऑफ कोर्स गोज डिफरेंट. वो लोग अपना ब्रांडिंग रखते हैं, हम अपना ब्रांडिंग रखते हैं. सो दैट्स मेजरली समथिंग विच प्लेस. हमारा ब्रांड जो बिकता है गोज मेजरली ऑन आर ब्रांडिंग, वेयर पीपल नो कि दे वर द फर्स्ट वंस टू मेक आइसक्रीम.
मेक सेंस. जो जैसे अभी मैं मतलब क्रिटिसाइज़ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं समझ रहा हूँ, क्योंकि हम भी ऐसा वैसा कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो हम मेरे को खाली ये चीज़ समझना है कि क्या होता है ना, जब आप वाइट लेबलिंग करते हो, ब्रांडिंग एंड मार्केटिंग देन आर द ओनली USPs दैट यू हैव, करेक्ट? यूनिकनेस चला जाता है. आज जैसे आज हमारे पास XD है एंड XD प्रीवी है, करेक्ट? व्हाट वी डू एट XD इज समथिंग दैट इज ऑलरेडी हैपनिंग एट अ वेरी मास लेवल, वेयर वी प्ले ऑन आर मार्केटिंग, वेयर वी प्ले ऑन आर पोजिशनिंग, एवरीथिंग. वहाँ पे हम वाइट लेबलिंग भी थोड़ा बहुत कर लेते हैं, बट वो फियर ऑलवेज हमारे साथ रहता है कि यार व्हाट इफ दैट पर्सन डज मच बेटर देन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. तो वो फियर फैक्टर रहता है हमारे साथ. बट विथ XD प्रीवी वी आर श्योर कि हम XD प्रीवी के साथ वाइट लेबलिंग नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू मेंटेन दैट यूनिकनेस. आज XYZ ब्रांड जिसका ऑलरेडी एक पोजिशनिंग है, अगर वो XD प्रीवी का जो हम XD प्रीवी में जो लॉन्च करें, अगर वो सेम चीज़ लॉन्च करे तो उसको तो वो रीच मिल ही जाएगा, आई नो. बट वो यूनिकनेस कि जो XD प्रीवी देता है वो सिर्फ XD प्रीवी दे सकता है, वो और कोई नहीं दे सकता. वो मेंटेन करने का मतलब मेरा इंटरेस्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा रहता है. दैट आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू वाइट लेबलिंग एट XD प्रीवी. आई जस्ट मेक फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई विल कीप इट लिमिटेड, बट आई विल कीप इट एक्सक्लूसिव.
That's absolutely, like I said, it's a call at that moment of the business, right? जब मैंने white labeling start किया था तब मेरे पास churning के लिए पैसे नहीं थे, तब आप उसको rotation नहीं कर पा रहे हो. अगर आपको branding game खेलना है तो आपको पैसे डालने, आपको capital डालने, which I did not have, right? And I did go via the funding route. I went and asked. That was the whole reason why I even reached Shark Tank कि चलो funding का ही होगा. But everywhere they were saying the same thing कि एक product के ऊपर हम इतना पैसा नहीं लगाएंगे और एक product को भी बड़ा करने के लिए आपको branding के लिए पैसे तो डालने ही है, right?
Correct.
So when that's not an option, but if people are seeing कि अच्छा ये sales है, चलो summers में ये चलता है, वो 3 महीने में मुझे और 4 ब्रांड का भी अगर मिल रहा है तो मुझे रोटेशन के लिए पैसे मिल रहे जो मैं वैगी जोन में डाल सकती थी, right? That was how I thought.
Right.
But what I have come to understanding after years of doing white labeling and having my own brand is your brand works on your own marketing.
Correct.
Right? And because I have been in the industry longer, people now know me. People now trust कि ठीक है अगर दर्शन ने बनाया है आइसक्रीम तो डेफिनेटली इसमें इसने अच्छा ही प्रोडक्ट डाला है. Like even today when you speak to Hari, my partner, in any conversation if he's speaking to somebody, he's like, no, Darshan wanted ice cream like this. She wanted it, you know, to be not putting any chemical. It is going to be organic. So we have sustained it. We have not changed it. नहीं तो उसको मैं और reduce करने के लिए उसके ऊपर मैं और सारी चीज़ें डाल सकती हूँ जिसकी वजह से उसका costing और भी कम आ सकता है. I know it. I am a manufacturer by the end of it and by blood also. तो आपको पता है वो चीज़, but you are standing with it because आपके कुछ principles है, which is what I feel over a period of years now people know me for and they buy Waggy Zone. So it's not कि वो नहीं बिक रहा है या लोगों को नहीं रखना है. It has been over a period of time with relations and that has been going on. So now I don't have that fear जो I understand where you're coming from, which I also had initially कि अरे अगर उसने बना दिया, उसने बेटर बना दिया और मैं ही उसके लिए बना के दूँ तो मैं अपना ही पैर काट रही हूँ, मेरा ही ब्रांड चला गया, मेरे से वो भी चला
क्योंकि
गया.
वाइट लेबलिंग में उतने मार्जिन नहीं होते जितने खुद के ब्रांड से बेचने में मार्जिन होते हैं.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप बाय द एंड ब्रांडिंग करने के बाद पैसा उतना नहीं बचता है इनिशियल स्टेज.
हाँ, इनिशियल स्टेज की मैं बात ही नहीं कर रहा, मैं एक सेटल्ड ब्रांड की बात कर रहा हूँ.
आपको ऐसा है कि मुझे ब्रांड बनाना है, ब्रांड बना के इसका 3x 4x होगा, दैट इज व्हेन दैट गेम कम्स, राइट? वाइट लेबलिंग इज मोर ऑफ अ पॉइंट कि आप
सर्वाइव करने के लिए
आप सर्वाइव कर रहे हो, आप इतना कर रहे हो, प्लस आपकी स्पेशलिटी क्या है. That point in time, my specialty was not branding. मुझे branding का भी नहीं आता था, right?
आपका product was strong.
Like I told you, मैं community भी by chance बन गई because by nature I am a person कि चलो इससे बात किया, उससे बात किया, उसको help कर लिया, आपने कर लिया, आपका बन गया. और मुझे मालूम नहीं था बिकॉज पापा वुड ऑलवेज से कि अगर कुछ चीज़ करनी है तो जिसको आता है उससे जाके बात करो. तो आई यूज टू गो टू पेट इंडस्ट्री में हर एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, हर एक स्टोर वाले के पास तुम्हारी स्टोरी मैं सिर्फ सुन रही हूँ. व्हाट यू आर डूइंग टुडे इज समथिंग आई यूज टू डू दैट से 6 years बैक. आप हर स्टोर वाले से पूछो कि आपने कैसे चालू किया, अच्छा कौन सा प्रोडक्ट चलता है, अच्छा कौन सा डॉग क्या लेता है, कौन सा ब्रीड क्या लेता है. आप ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन उससे ही लोगे और किससे लोगे, और वो आपको अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस बताएगा कि पेट पेरेंट फिनिकी होते हैं, पेट पेरेंट्स ऐसे होंगे. अच्छा आई वॉज गोइंग टू मेक कैट आइसक्रीम, पेट स्टोर्स का स्टोर में मत बनाना बिकॉज कैट पेरेंट्स आर वेरी फिनिकी, आप मत करना, राइट? सो दैट इज देयर एक्सपीरियंस, उनका सालों का एक्सपीरियंस. दे हैव गिवन इट टू मी in 1 minute, which saved me so much of money maybe, right? All those things I feel ki that is where I was spending my time. Okay, and branding मुझे नहीं समझता था because I was more of a person कि आपने बल्क में आइसक्रीम बना ली, राइट? तो मुझे तो दिख ही नहीं रहा था कि 6 पीस बेच के मैं क्या ही करने वाली हूँ. Either you're selling 1 lakh pieces in a month or you're not doing a business at all.
सही बात.
That is what I had in my head and that is what my bringing up was when you're seeing a manufacturing all constantly. This was only because I didn't have a choice, which is what I tell a lot of people कि मेरे पास choice नहीं था. कोई डॉगी आइसक्रीम पे बिलीव नहीं कर रहा था कि कुत्ते के लिए आइसक्रीम क्यों बना रही है जब इतने इंसानों के लिए आइसक्रीम्स है. लाइक माई ओन फैमिली मेम्बर्स वुड कम एंड टेल मी कि अरे इंसान का आइसक्रीम बना, इतने ऑप्शंस है, करोड़ों में लोग हैं, तो उसके लिए क्यों नहीं बना रही. इट वॉज ओनली माई फादर हु टोल्ड मी कि दर्शु दिस इज अ नीश. देखो अगर कोई 200 रुपया कुत्ते के आइसक्रीम लिए देने के लिए रेडी है ना तो वो नीश है. तू कहाँ इधर आ रही है जहाँ पे वही वेनिला बेचना और वही तेरे को स्ट्रगल करना है. सो पॉइंट इज वो टाइम पे आप अपना बैटल चूज कर रहे हो. देन आई हैड टू सर्वाइव. आई फेल्ट कि ठीक है मैं वाइट लेबलिंग कर लूँगी. व्हेन आई डिड द वाइट लेबलिंग आई थिंक मेरा फेयर चला गया कि what I will receive is with my मेहनत and you know my branding and वो automatically you give back to the society, your brand automatically comes to the place. So I feel that just played its part and now I feel I'm free from that fear कि what if उसने मेरे से better बना लिया.
Fair enough. And one major takeaway that I feel from our conversation was कि ऐसा एपिसोड अगर हो जाए शार्क टैंक वाला, उतना क्रिटिसिज्म अगर मिले तो उसके बाद आके 90% क्या होएगा. 1, अब ये सब होने के बाद आप खुद आके बंद कर दो, बंद कि सब कुछ बंद. सेकंड, आप खुद इतना ज़्यादा डीमोटिवेट हो गए हो कि इवन आपको बंद करने का इंटेंशन नहीं है, बट अब आप में वो एनर्जी, वो पैशन बचा ही नहीं ऐसा कॉन्वर्जेशन होने के बाद.
When actually that shot happened and I came out and I was going through that phase ki what am I doing in my life wala question mark, right? And when people have, it's not that they were rude to me, it was a reality check.
Correct.
Like you said,
and
right?
it's required. अपने इमोशनली अपने ब्रांड का अटैच्ड है, बट बाकी सब लोग इमोशंस को अलग रख के प्रैक्टिकल बात कर रहे हैं, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है.
Absolutely. तो अगर आपके 5 साल के बाद if they are telling you कि आप सिर्फ 12 लाख के सेल पे पहुंचे हो, which for me was a very big thing because
Right.
सिर्फ आइसक्रीम बेचना 1 लाख per month was a very big thing. But for them it was like this is not a business.
See, they are
Right.
looking at a certain
हाँ,
X to happen.
But that being hit to you is a reality check. That is when it was like yes, they are right. या तो मैं इसको expand करूँ या तो मैं बंद करके कुछ और करूँ, which is what can, which is actually my potential. Because this is really not what I am potential for कि सिर्फ 12 लाख रुपए का आप सेल कर रहे हो, राइट? दो इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग बिकॉज आपने वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया जहाँ पे पूरी कंट्री में आइसक्रीम ही नहीं है, आइसक्रीम क्या होता है, आप वो रिसर्च किया, नोबडी सीज दैट, राइट? बट टुडे व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू एन इन्वेस्टर ही इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक तुम कितना इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकती हो, राइट? तो वहाँ पे आके व्हेन यू आर स्टक यू आर लाइक ओके व्हाट एम आई डूइंग विद माय लाइफ, दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड चर्निंग सेशन फॉर मी एंड देन बाय द टाइम इट गॉट एयर्ड I was at a point where I was trying that 99 rupees कि ठीक है 199 से लास्ट इसको 99 करके देख लेते, if the sales increase I will sustain this, if it doesn't increase I will not. That is what I had put out in the universe and it didn't increase actually because of 99 rupees but the sale increased because Shark Tank episode हो गया,
you got
and
the
then
visibility.
what I wanted actually happened was that visibility globally.
Right.
Globally pet parents came together trying to tell me कि oh आप आइसक्रीम बनाते हो, why not? Like even now we just sent some ice cream to South Africa, we've sent to Thailand, we've sent to Hong Kong. That was the achievement कि अच्छा Indian produce अब जा रहा है, right?
Makes
So
sense.
that gives you that kick, right? As an entrepreneur, I think a lot of us don't get motivated only with money or number, right? There is something that gives you that kick. There is something that is there. Like today only I just called up a friend and I'm like, he's into army and I'm like, is there a way you can connect me to the canine? It's my dream. I want to supply there, right? These things is what is going to give me that thrill कि हाँ देखा मेरा brand उधर गया. Hey, did you see this is what happened?
Correct.
Like I told you, my friend, she just told me, she's like, I used to always come to Bombay, cross Antilia, and when I saw कि oh my product has gone to Ambani's wedding over there, it's a thrill.
Correct,
It's that
correct.
experience. It doesn't matter how much were you paid for it or what is it that you've received. It's that kick.
I agree. This thing happens with me कि sales तो आता है, दिख रहा है आपको एवरीडे बेसिस पे, आपको ऑर्डर्स आ रहे हैं, सब हो रहा है, वो थ्रिल नहीं देता. थ्रिल मेरे को कब होता है? व्हेन आई ऑन द स्ट्रीट, व्हेन आई सी समवन अननोन वेयरिंग XD
Absolutely.
एंड आई एम लाइक ब्रो, लाइक
Yeah.
पहले तो मेरे को दोस्त लगता भाई ये टी शर्ट तो देखी सी है, ये जैकेट या ये कार्गो देखा सा है, फिर जाके मैं थोड़ा ध्यान से देखता हूँ, बोला अरे ये तो मेरा ही है भाई. लाइक दैट फीलिंग इज अमेजिंग, दैट फीलिंग इज क्रेजी. वो सेल का मेरे को थ्रिल नहीं आता, बट व्हेन आई सी समवन वेयर इट, ओह हो, दैट फीलिंग इज लाइक इनक्रेडिबल.
I told a lot of people, when people will come and they'll be like, how did you sustain for so many years when you were not making? I said every day, almost every day. तब तो वो user generated content कुछ होता भी नहीं था. People used to actually send me photos on WhatsApp with their dog enjoying the ice cream and being like, thank you auntie for this ice cream.
Wow.
We really loved it, all that thing. So I was like, yeah, this is what I am making this product for.
दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू वांटेड. ब्रांड आपका तो स्टार्टिंग में तो वो एम था ही नहीं कि मेरे को ब्रांड बनाना है. आपका स्टार्टिंग में एम क्या था, जो आप प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो वो कंज्यूम होना चाहिए.
हाँ, पहला तो वही था.
correct.
Then it just became another thing.
Because the product was so good, and if the product is so good, then वो attraction आ ही जाता है. Like it's the magnets pulling it towards.
Yeah. I mean, 5 years if I didn't have to change my formulation, little we did, but the flavor stayed constant and things like this. I think that was where that faith and that trust was built over years कि अच्छा ठीक है ये कर रही है.
Correct. And see, ये पूरे conversation से what I have understood is, and this topic I literally discuss with all my guests because I understand the importance of this topic, the power of community. आपका जो ब्रांड जहाँ से जहाँ पहुँचा है, आई फील वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट, चलो आपका डिटर्मिनेशन एंड आपका पैशन इज़ वन थिंग, बट द थिंग दैट हैज़ हेल्प्ड इट ग्रो सो मच वॉज द पावर ऑफ कम्युनिटीज़ दैट यू हैव ओनली क्रिएटेड. वॉट इज़ योर टेक की हाउ डू कम्युनिटीज़ हेल्प यू एंड हाउ डू यू मेक अ कम्युनिटी? लाइक आज सबको कम्युनिटी बनाना है, हर ब्रांड को कम्युनिटी बनाना है, कैसे आप कम्युनिटी बनाते हो?
Community is basically a very core right now in Pets of Paradise, where we even have PopX community, which is basically for pet parents, wherein we are being there, guiding them throughout from day 0 to whatever days, right? And this concept came to me is because over the years I have been building around with community, be it women entrepreneurs, be it people working for us as a community. Like I told you, Papa's side, you know, whom he's worked with in the ice cream industry, that became one community. You have pet parents community. So all of this together I feel helped me grow. Also, primarily for me, community plays a very important role because I never thought this to be my business. From the start, as a child, if I was scared of dogs, coming into a pet industry, that was my last thing on the list, right? So that was not there. But when I wanted to make something passionately for my pet, and when the other pet parents wanted it for them as well, is when that whole thing changed. And I feel the community pushed me. While this community, you know, pet parents community pushed me to go there, do it, there was this pet entrepreneurs community or the retailers community that helped me to sell it, and that's how I feel I was able to build it, because whatever branding you do, whatever things you put it up, at the end a retailer has to sell your product, at the end a consumer has to like your product, and both of these were a huge community that helped me. So I feel that I feel very obligated to communities, and I feel I have to give back. That is one. Two, what you asked is true. I see a lot of brands. There are even people who approach me to help them with branding in terms of community, right? What I have understood is that community can only be built if you are really passionate about it. If you have your own stories. I mean, even now if you see Instagram and other places, things that sell is more when it is more real. When it is more something that a person in life goes through it. For me, this journey became so important of a pet parenting because I was a converted pet parent, right? I didn't know anything about animals. I didn't know what to do with a creature who's there around me, jumping around, needs a different kind of food. Being a vegetarian, you don't know how to groom, you don't know anything, right? That is where the community comes to help. Today, even in community, I see questions like, today itself, someone just messaged, oh, my husband's passed away 15 days back. The dog is puking bile, right? So there are 5-7 pet parents coming there, not only condoling you and being there for you as a pet parent or a human, they're also at the same time being there and making you aware that, okay, your dog is going to need this food, this water, this hydration, and he's also grieving right now. So these are the things which, even if I go to a vet, I can't get that help, right? It's only another pet parent who understands how my pet would have grieved is how your pet is grieving, and I'm here for you. It's a very different bond that you create. It's a very different feeling. When I see a dog not well or a cat not well, it's an instinct you get that, okay, theek hai, I'll connect you to a veterinarian or I'll tell you a medication if I know about it, right? So these are small things which I feel, but it helps you emotionally and mentally to keep you stable. So that's really important. The only way I feel a community can grow is when you are ready to give. Because if you're thinking, oh, this is a community from which I'm going to take, the community can't sustain. The community is something where you give and it automatically multiplies and grows it into 10x and 5x, right? Also, it will only come when you are very into it. So even a community of business entrepreneurs, I have seen that it grows, flourishes a lot more because you as an entrepreneur are living an entrepreneurial life, right? So you understand what would it be, say today if your machine is not working. I know it's every day ka minus, every hour I am losing out on money. As an entrepreneur, that's important to me, that machine is not working, right? I will automatically want to help you.
Correct.
So it's not that when they say this is an entrepreneurial community, this is a Marwadi community, this is a Sindhis community, this is a Gujarati community. This is because we understand the core of that living. We understand the business. We understand the culture. We understand that relationship. And so I am ready to help.
Right.
Which is why that community will thrive.
Right.
Otherwise, the community can't thrive.
Right. Very true. That makes a lot of sense also. Like what you said about that, you can't keep you can't keep taking. You have to give. Only then will a community be formed, and only then will the community also want to give back.
Absolutely. And giving will also come when you understand the importance of it, right?
Correct.
As an entrepreneur, I understand the importance of you not having one day the labor.
Correct.
Because I know कि आपका production कम होगा, आपका cost कम होगा, आपका ये होगा, आपका वो loss हो रहा है, right? That is exactly why now I will come in place and I'll be like, यार मेरे साथ ये होता तो I wouldn't have liked it. Why another entrepreneur?
Right.
I automatically
definitely
want to help you over there.
Definitely.
So giving also comes when you have done something. If you can't share and I'm not saying give matlab you have to give something physically only. Even the idea that my experience is what I can share
Yes.
with you, some hacks I can share with you, some, you know, sometimes just being there with you is what also I feel a community does maximum amount of time. I mean, majority of the women in the women community, I don't have to do anything, just listen to them. A lot of time I'm just listening because they need someone to talk to, they want to vent out, and once they vent out, it's like आपने चश्मा क्लीन कर लिया, अभी आपको क्लियरली दिख रहा है, अब आप उसको स्टेबल करो. So as a community person, you've done nothing but just given your time,
Be there,
patience.
you are
and-
there.
Yeah,
You are there for the community always, whatever it is, even if it is just experience, even if you have to do something physically, whatever it is, you are there for the community.
Absolutely.
That is very important, and that is how you build a
And
community
it comes
also.
back to you, and I have seen it coming back to me in a million ways.
Hmm.
And it wouldn't come only the way you have given. Maybe I didn't give the experience. I have given experience. I might not get only experience. I could get a connect. I could get someone trying to tell me कि ऐसे नहीं ऐसे बेच लो. So many times there are these people from the pet industry who will tell me कि आप इसके पास जा रहे हो, आप इसको ऐसे बोलना, ये जल्दी ले लेगा, अच्छा ये नहीं देता, इसका क्रेडिट खराब है, आप इसके पास जाओ ही नहीं. All are these things which a community will help you.
Correct.
Why do you think a network is important at the end of the day, right? When I know सामने वाला पैसा ही नहीं देने वाला, तो वो भले मुझसे 1 लाख का भी अगर मटेरियल लेगा, वो देगा ही नहीं मुझे. 3 महीना उसके बाद मुझे रखना पड़ेगा. Why will I go?
Correct.
So there are already people जिनके साथ हमने friendships बना के रखी है 5 years, 7 years who are in the sales, you know, जो जा रहे हैं मार्केट में, they'll come back and be like, मैडम इसके पास तो जाओ ही मत, या बेचना है तो ठीक है, अब इसके थ्रू भिजवाओ, ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को दो, इसको वो पैसा दे देते हैं. All these are things which you will waste your time, money and effort which somebody else from the community is helping you to do.
Correct. And पता है मैंने ये चीज़ से मैं I'm just able to relate it to something very different that I saw on the internet recently. Zakir Khan, you know the comedian.
Yeah.
He said in one of his podcasts that reel went very viral कि आप किसी के लिए पैसा खर्च कर दो, वो आपको उस चीज़ के लिए याद नहीं रखेगा, बट आपने वो 10 मिनट में अगर उसको वार्मथ फील कराया है तो वो आपको वो याद रखेगा. एंड विथ योर कम्युनिटी दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग.
Absolutely. You know what, in the community also, and which irritates me sometimes, is that people are constantly judging you.
Right.
ठीक है, अभी किसी इनके पास अगर ब्रीड डॉग आ गया, जैसे मेरे पास ही ब्रीड डॉग है, ले लो, मेरे पास 2 GSTs और एक हस्की है. People's first thing was like, oh, you're only a breed person, you're not an you know, streety. You don't know the backstory. All my 3 dogs are adopted. You don't know what went through. You don't know what it is to keep 3 dogs in a house where you're, you know, if you're traveling, you have to take the 3 of them. It is a task, right? Nobody is seeing you, and I don't wish to share that with you because it's my personal thing कि ठीक है हम ये कर रहे हैं. But my point is the way you look at me, right? And Hari, who's my partner, he's got like 2 street dogs, indies, adopted, right? Very good. I'm not saying bad. But वो देखते ही they'll be like, oh, देखा इसने adopt किया. But why are you constantly thinking that I would have not adopted? So there are these judgments which you pass. Or if somebody's even bought recently, someone bought and, you know, just put ki, oh, I've bought a 15-day-old dog or things like this, and the entire community went on to them ki, how could you purchase, this is not good, breeding is not good. Someone's already bought. That point in time, that animal is important, right? So as a community, like you mentioned, it's important you give that warmth. ठीक है, हो गया mistake, we are here for you, let us rush through this. These pet parents, if you hold them, trust me, they become better givers in the community,
right,
because they have
definitely
gone through, they see their puppy suffering, they know what breeding has done, they will never ever do it, and they will stand by the other street dogs and community dogs.
Right.
I have seen myself so many pet parents transforming in front of me who bought because they were not educated enough.
Right.
So, you know, you can't take out that anger on that person. Your anger should be that there's not enough education, and you build that up.
Right.
Which is what we are doing, right? We are trying to fight the fact that there has to be education of adoption, of animals, of stuff like we discussed earlier also, than the fight that you're judging someone.
Right, definitely. So when I got my first dog, he was a lab, okay? I was educated about the fact that you shouldn't get breeded dogs. I was educated about that. I still am very open to adopting stray indies only, correct? But अब 2-3 factors आ जाता है. My entire family, I live in a joint family. I have elders at home. My entire family was against the concept of having a pet at home. उसमें भी I knew that if I get a indie home, the chances of him staying हो गया यही exactly यही mindset आता है. I know this was coming. I know the only way a dog can stay at my house is if I get a Labrador, no other breed. ऐसा भी नहीं कि breeded में कोई चाहिए. If I get a lab, it will stay. I can make it stay at least. If I don't get a lab, it is not staying. This thing I knew. at that point I cared about getting one pet at home. Like I breed होए indie होए फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अपने को तो वो bond चाहिए right with the dog. I cared about just getting a dog at home. अब मैं आपको transition बताता हूँ. I got a breeded dog at home. उसके पहले no one in my family was into animals or nothing to do with animals. Since then I have 2 stray dogs that I'm feeding every day. I have 3 indie cats that I have adopted. My dad has 5 indie cats that he is feeding every day. वो पूरा ट्रांजिशन आ गया एंड अब मैंने घर पे, अब मैं उस पोजीशन पे हूँ कि अब मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि आई डोंट नो whenever I get a chance, whenever there is an opportunity or wherever there is a moment, the next dog that ever comes home will be most probably a indie pup only.
But you don't even have to adopt. Like I said,
You don't have to adopt. You
don't
feed
have
them.
to,
You take care of them. That's also
There
more
is
than
a
enough.
lot to do. Like people think
Exactly.
only adoption is the way. No, I said,
No, it is
that's
not.
the only
Of
way.
course.
Even जाके अगर सिर्फ volunteering कर रहे हो ना in NGOs, that's also good enough work that you're being able to do. If you can't give monetary, you can't give anything, go physically and just just do
आप
volunteering.
बारिश के टाइम पे अपना दरवाजा खोल दो बिल्डिंग का यार, वो स्ट्रे को खाली बारिश के टाइम पे अंदर रहने दे दो.
I'm telling you, this person, so we were doing healing, we do group healings every day at 12:30 for all animals, okay? And this person actually requested कि please आप healing करो because this dog used to come and sleep next to our door, street dog, community dog, आके सिर्फ अंदर सो रहा है. That lady, I don't know what happened, उसने वहाँ पे टेबल कुर्सी रख दी कि दिस डॉग कैन नॉट स्लीप, और तब से वो डॉग लाइक सैड हो गया और वो हिल ही नहीं रहा है वहाँ से. ही इज जस्ट फीलिंग सैड. ऑफ कोर्स देन ऑल ऑफ अस केम टुगेदर, वी वर पुशिंग इन एनर्जीज, वी वर हेल्पिंग इट. बट माई पॉइंट इज इवन स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक दिस, जहाँ पे वो आपके घर के अंदर नहीं आ रहा है, वो बाहर सोया पड़ा है, वो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है और वो बच्चों के साथ खेलता है, कम्युनिटी के बच्चे जो है, नथिंग इज ही डूइंग फ्रॉम यू, और आपको खिलाना भी नहीं, कोई और उसको फीड कर रहा है. यू स्टिल ऑब्जेक्टिंग जस्ट द फैक्ट कि वो अंदर शेल्टर पे रुका हुआ है.
कितना गलत बात है
आप
ये.
एवरीडे ये सुन रहे हो, राइट? बट देन एट द एंड I have come to a point where I'm like, okay, we are not going to curse. What we will do is we'll educate the person कि भाई तुम ये जो कर रहे हो is not good for you also, is not good for the dog also, because at the end of the day आप सीमेंट के घर में अकेले नहीं रह सकते हो. आपको पूरा एक इकोसिस्टम चाहिए जिसमें वाटर है, ये है, आपका सॉइल है, आपकी उपजाऊ है, क्रॉप्स जहाँ पे आ रहे हैं वो फार्मर्स कर रहे हैं. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते मैं इंडिविजुअली यहाँ पे रह रही हूँ तो आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग एल्स.
सही बात.
This whole thing is your system. Today the cows, the buffaloes, everything is a part of this system.
Definitely.
You can't say I am staying alone or I am doing alone. Even to make my product, I need products from so many other places. So how can I say Vaggie Zone मेरी brand है, सिर्फ मैं कर रही हूँ? There is so many ingredients that is going into it. जो कहाँ से आ रहा है? How do you know?
Correct. Makes sense. Very true.
So that's the overall community is like everything I feel.
Yes. Communities are everything. I also feel so.
लेकिन उसमें इतनी ingredients जा रही है, it's coming from different places, तो वो तब मिलके एक बन के Vaggie Zone की आइसक्रीम बनेगी ना. It's not कि इकलौता वो आइसक्रीम बिक रहा है.
बिल्कुल. Yeah, communities are everything. I also totally agree on that. Like एकदम full stop उस बात पे कि communities के without तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता.
Also the fact that people are like who have become anti this community, no, I feel if you have an issue in your own community, your own family, your own stuff, every part, take it up and educate. I feel that's the only way you can bring change, because आपने cash दे दिया, आपने चीज़ें दे दी, that will all stay for some time and will be lost. If I have been able to educate even one person to be able to be compassionate and neutral to a dog, I feel, or a cat, you've won the battle. Because वो और 10 जन को educate कर लेगा, right? So that is how you are going to be able to transit. Otherwise, there's nothing you can do back.
Totally makes sense. आप थोड़ा productivity hack share करिए. Like how do you increase your productivity throughout the day? What is your productivity hack to like get you on the top game? आपके बिजनेस के लिए, आपके पर्सनल लाइफ के लिए, या कोई भी चीज़ के लिए.
I prominently tell entrepreneurs to take breaks, because I feel that we get to, like I said, we start living in that pond and we're too swept away. Productivity for me comes back with new ideas and stuff only when I've taken my break. I do my dancing. I will take a break and do my meditations. I do take up meditations as well for people. So yeah, that's what I do. I'm very particular about my meditation discipline. That has to be done on a daily basis. And dancing is something that helps me come back with the creativity.
It helps you keep your mental peace also at a certain.
Exercise is very important.
Correct. Makes sense.
You will be in front of the laptop, which is okay, but it gets redundant after a point. You need to go and breathe.
Correct. Of course. Makes sense. And coming down to the last and the most important question of this podcast, that any new age entrepreneur or someone who has just started something or is planning to start something, what are the first 2-3 steps of advice you would like to share कि भाई start कर रहा है या कर रहे हो तो पहले ये 2-3 चीज़ को in place रखो, then get into the whole venturing zone.
Like, know that it's not going to be all roses. It's majorly thorns initially.
Of course, it's only thorns. It's only thorns. Trust me, I'm a new age entrepreneur. I've started my brand like, yeah, it's been a while, but the start was only thorns. There was nothing. There were no leaves also. Only thorns.
Like I said, it's only thorns.
Yeah.
Even the roses by the end. Even after you've seen the roses are with the thorns.
Correct.
So every day, even after you've achieved your target, there'll be something new that is there. It has to come from passion is what I strongly believe, and you have to be consistent. There will be days when you hate what you're doing, but there'll be something about it that gives you the joy. Like I told you, people sharing that video of a dog eating the ice cream was something that gave me that courage to fight with the loss, with the ice cream not reaching on time, ice cream has melted, oh you don't have a labor, the machine is not working, n number of problems. At the end, that video of the dog liking and smiling, or that jumping around, and a cat parent or a dog parent sending you thank you note, that made your day. That's about it.